at my crocodile.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a crocodile out of an egg box. So, let's go inside. I made this crocodile craft out of an egg box 6 years ago in my art classes here in London with the kids I was working with at that time. And to my surprise, this video is still getting daily views, but I've changed a few things, so I thought I'll share that in this video. Basically, what we have here is a long box, egg box, and one that we cut into a mouth from a lid. Use the top of an egg box. Leave 4 centimeters in the middle and cut out 2 triangles on either side. Then we have the tail. And then we have 4 little legs, which are paper rolls. We have green paint, we have tape, we got brushes, and we got do you know what this is?
Yeah.
A palette for your paint. Can you squeeze some green paint there?
Yeah.
So we paint green on the bumps for the crocodile, and then we paint pink inside the mouth. And then we attach it to the tail. We made a long tail so we can stick it on top to secure it. And it's gonna look so cool. We are using basic poster paint for kids. You can use any really. See that it's not too runny and that it's vibrant in color. And when you paint on cardboard, if the cardboard is darker, we have a light colored egg box. But if your egg box is darker, you might want to add a little bit of white into the paint so that it doesn't get too dark and the color stays vibrant. Depending on how old your child is and how long they stay focused on painting, you decide how much details you add to it. Will you add teeth inside, or will you just paint a little bit of green? You decide. This artist here is 2 years old.
I like a crocodile.
A second option is to use a smaller egg box for the head, and then you leave the paint to dry until you stick it on top of the base and the tail. Now we've added double-sided tape, so can you pull this one off?
Okay.
Show how it gets sticky. There you go. We're gonna take all of them off, and it's super sticky, and then we're gonna put the back on top. Should I lift it, let it dry a bit while you clean the table? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll hold on to the glue for you. I'll put it right over here. And then you can clean the table.
Look, it's so.
Can you wipe?
Mommy, I don't need anyone.
For a 2 to 3 year old, even cleaning up can be fun. And you use a little bit of soap in a spray can and wipe it off.
Does it have any water?
Yeah. So this activity alone is quite a good sensory play for 2 to 3 year olds. And just squeezing the bottle and getting the soap to come out can be quite fun and challenging at the same time. So they will use their little fingers and fine motor skills to figure out how the bottle works and how to get the soap to come out. And Sophia loves just squeezing out soap on the table and wiping it off and watching the paint disappear. And she likes to keep it neat and tidy after we get messy with all the art activities. We use normal washing up liquid, just diluted with water. You can find different colors to keep it fun. To make it even more educational, you can find different shaped sponges that they can use to scrub the table with. And here we're just using a washing up cloth and a wet wipe. But yeah, be creative with how you set up your little session with your child. to keep the harmony throughout the whole session from the beginning till end, see that you have everything that you need close by before you bring your child over to the table to start getting creative. You want to avoid leaving the kids alone with all the art materials around them on the table. So even the sponges and the washing up liquid, keep it close by before you even start the painting session. Will help you have fun and you don't need to stress and worry too much. And declutter the table before you start as well to have space for your artwork.
Bubble, 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 bubble. Mommy, I don't need any more.
I don't think so.
I don't think so. And I don't think so.
Ren och fin. Nice and clean.
Here.
Thank you. Well done, that is super clean. Now you can wash your hands in the bathroom, please. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
You can leave your crocodile at this stage without legs, or you add as many details as you want. Leave it to dry and then your kids can play with it.
I'm back. A crocodile.
Don't touch it too much because it's still a little bit wet, but it's dry enough for you to put the eyes on.
And hold that down, bring it to the playground.
Look at that.
If I can.
Hey, thank you for tuning in. This week's video is about how to make a crocodile. It's quite easy to do once you know how to do it. So follow the steps and maybe you would like to make your own as well. For any questions, just comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.